Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial how I achieve this half up half down crochet style. As you can see here, I braided up the back and I'm going to be sewing that piece back connected to the rest of the braids, and I'm going to be going in after that with the crochet. I'm going to show you guys the hair I'm using. I'm going to oil my scalp, and I'm just going to start going in and crocheting my hair.
Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road.
The hair I'm using is my Free Trees Jazzy Waters in 12 inches, and I used about 5 packs.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
And as I'm crocheting the back end, I'm really just feeling for it because it was just, I didn't feel like moving and doing all the extra stuff just to be able to see the back, to know where to go. So I basically just filled for spots to put the crochet in, as well as spaced it out just to make sure that it wasn't too full or too many on one side and not enough on the other.
I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN.
I don't know if you saw, but I'm knotting, well, not the crochet in different ways. I would just one knot it, or I would put one between the knot with the hole and I would knot it. But it really is at your preference. I really didn't care how I did it because I knew this was not going to be in here long.
Bitch, you want BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open.
Alright guys, so that's just about as far as I'm going to get in the back, simply because I know I'm going to have the ponytail up higher, so it'll cover that part, and I'm going to tease everything out so it'll fill itself out, and you'll see at the end how it worked out. This area for me was a little bit of a challenge because it was like, it's harder to braid up. I don't know, like I can braid straight back, but just like going up like that, it was kind of awkward for my hands and stuff. But as you can see, we got it done. But I'm just going in with some feeding hair. This is a Kankalon in the number 530, and I'm just feeding that into my hair as I braid it up to the ponytail.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications.
Alright guys, so I'm finished here for the most part. I'm not going to show y'all see me do the little tiny braid, but I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm sorry I wasn't able to record me putting it in a ponytail, but I appreciate you guys from watching. Sorry, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Open up, open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, cold as icing. Coca-Cola. I open up.